Let us solve for x given 3 raised to power s square divided by 9 raised to power s is equal to 6,561. Then here, the given equation is 3 raised to power s square divided by 9 raised to power s is equal to 6561. 9 is equal to 3 square. This can be written as 3 raised to power s square divided by 3 square raised to power x is equal to 6561. If you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. This is equal to a raised to power mn. Then if you have a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Then we have 3 raised to power s square divided by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by x. This is 2x is equal to 6561. But 6561 is equal to 3 raised to power 8. Then we have 3 raised to power s square divided by 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 8. And this is 3 raised to power s square minus 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 8. They have the same base 3. We consider the exponent, and this can be written as s square minus 2s is equal to 8. And this is the same thing as s square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using factorization method. Then the whole of this equation can be written as s square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then if you consider this and this, we have s bracket s minus 4 plus 2 bracket s minus 4 is equal to 0. S minus 4 is common here. Let us bring it out. S minus 4 bracket, this is s and 2. We have s plus 2 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 4. This is the first value of s. And the second case is s plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to minus 2. This is the second value of x. Therefore, our final answer are s is equal to minus 2, 4. These are the values of s. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power x square divided by 9 raised to power x is equal to 6561. If s is equal to minus 2, now we have 3 raised to power minus 2 square divided by 9 raised to power minus 2 must be equal to 6561. Now we have 3 raised to power minus 2 square, that is 4, divided by 9 raised to power minus 2 can be written as 3 square to the power of minus 2 must be equal to 6561, and this can be written as 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power minus 4 must be equal to 6561. Here we have 3 raised to power 4. Then if you take this up, it will become plus 4 must be equal to 6561. We have 3 raised to power 4 plus 4, that is 8, must be equal to 6561. And of course, 3 raised to power 8, but 3 raised to power 8 is equal to 6561. Therefore, the left hand side, 6561, is equal to the right hand side, 6561, which is true. Now, let's check. If x is equal to 4, we have 3 raised to power s square divided by 9 raised to power s is equal to 6561. And this is 3 raised to power 4 square divided by 9 raised to power 4 must be equal to 6561. This can be written as 3 raised to power 16 divided by 3 square raised to the power of 4 must be equal to 6561. Here we have 3 raised to power 16 divided by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, must be equal to 6561. Then here we have 3 raised to power 16 minus 8 must be equal to 6561. This is the same thing as 3 raised to power 16 minus 8, that is 8, must be equal to 6561. And of course, 3 raised to power 8, this is 6561, is equal to 6561, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.